Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the security and privacy. Let's tap on it. And now let's scroll down in order to find the device lock. Let's unroll it, and here we've got the Pixel imprint, which is the name of the fingerprint in this device. All right, so here we've got actually the very first step of adding the fingerprint if you do not have any kind of screen lock. If you've got one, of course, then you will be just transferred to the first step of adding the fingerprint with a sensor. If not, you really have to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the backup pattern, PIN or password, and you will not have to go through the hard reset operation. Alright, so I will pick the pattern. Now let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here, and it is also connected with the screen lock, we have to decide what kind of notifications we want to show on the lock screen. Just make sure that the option locked use is marked and tap on done. Now we have to confirm it with the pattern. And here we can set up the Pixel imprint. So of course here we've got the information how it works and that you're in control. You have to keep in mind some kind of stuff and so on. So just tap on I agree, and as you can see, the touch sensor is located on the back of our device. So I'll show you. It's right here. So basically all we will have to do is to simply put our finger on the sensor. Just like that, you will feel a little vibration, and as you can see right now, I have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner for better recognition, of course. And as you can see, that's quite simple and it is quite fast. We just successfully added the fingerprint. We can add another or simply tap on done. And here we've got options which are connected to the fingerprint. We do not have a lot of them, so this is the fingerprint we just added. You can remove it or rename it, so we can do it because why not? Let me rename it. And here you can add another fingerprint. I believe you can add up to 5. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is actually working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.